From humble street food to royal feasts, the journey of your favorite meals is more incredible than you know. This is the history of the dish.
Ethiopia Injera. Injera is a staple food in Ethiopian and Eritrean cuisine, serving as both a dish and an edible utensil. This spongy sourdough flatbread has a rich history deeply intertwined with Ethiopia's culture, agriculture, and traditions. The exact origins of injera are unclear, but it is believed to date back thousands of years. Some historians suggest that injera may have been consumed as early as 100 AD during the Dempt Kingdom or the Aksumite Empire. The bread's primary ingredient, teff, Aragrostis teff, is an ancient grain native to Ethiopia and Eritrea, making it one of the earliest domesticated crops in the region. Teff is a tiny gluten-free grain that thrives in Ethiopia's highlands. Due to its resilience and nutritional value, rich in iron, calcium, and protein, it became the foundation of Ethiopian cuisine. The fermentation process used to make injera likely developed as a way to preserve the grain and enhance its digestibility. Traditional injera is made by fermenting teff flour with water for several days, creating a sourdough-like batter. Cooking on a large clay griddle, mitad, over an open flame, giving it its signature bubbly texture. The fermentation process produces a slightly tangy flavor, which complements Ethiopian stews, wats, and dishes like doro wat, tibs, and shiro. Injera is more than just food, it is central to Ethiopian social and religious customs. Communal eating. Meals are often shared from a single large injera, with dishes placed on top, symbolizing unity. Religious observances. Ethiopian Orthodox Christians eat injera during fasting periods, such as Lent, with vegan dishes. Ceremonial use. It is served at weddings, holidays like Meskel and Timkat, and family gatherings. While traditional injera is made from teff, modern variations may use blends of barley, sorghum, or wheat due to teff's high cost and export restrictions lifted in 2015. Outside Ethiopia, injera has gained global popularity, especially in vegan and gluten-free diets. Injera is a culinary treasure with deep historical roots, representing Ethiopia's agricultural ingenuity and cultural heritage. From ancient Aksum to modern-day restaurants worldwide, this unique flatbread remains a symbol of Ethiopian identity and hospitality.
The recipes for all of our dishes are linked in the description below. Like, subscribe, and click on the next video.